Hey there! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming monitors with a review of the Alienware AW2725DF 360HZ QD OLED. This monitor promises to deliver a stunning visual experience coupled with top-tier performance, making it a potential game-changer for esports enthusiasts and hardcore gamers alike. Let's jump right in. The Alienware AW2725DF is a 27-inch QHD monitor featuring an OLED panel, which in itself is quite a rarity in the gaming monitor space. But what sets this monitor apart is its sky-high refresh rate of 360 Hz. This means smoother gameplay and lightning-fast response times, crucial for competitive gaming. Design-wise, the AW2725DF sports a sleek and modern look. With thin black bezels and a hexagonal base, it's a monitor that's as stylish as it is functional. The customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of flair, allowing you to personalize your setup to your heart's content. Now, let's talk about features. The AW2725DF is packed with connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-A, USB-B, and USB-C ports. This ensures you're covered no matter what peripherals you need to connect. Plus, with support for AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, you can say goodbye to screen tearing for good. But how does it perform? In a word, outstanding. Thanks to its OLED panel, colors pop with unparalleled vibrancy, and blacks are truly black, giving you a level of immersion that's hard to beat. And with less than 1 millisecond of input lag, you can trust that your actions will be reflected on screen without any delay. So, should you invest in the Alienware AW2725DF? Absolutely. With its winning combination of breathtaking visuals and top-notch performance, it's a monitor that's sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore esports enthusiast, this monitor has something to offer for everyone. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!